So, ooh, that doesn't look too bad. We can walk down that. See how it is. Watch out for webs. Watch out for webs and big nests and webs. A webby. Pretty. I bet that's where you can still get the geodes that haven't been farmed by the crazies. They love stealing them damn geodes. I guess I had to just suggest taking one, so what's that tell you? It's pretty out. Kind of a dead air though. Just walked into a web. Oh, and another. We're gonna need a stick to continue this trail. So whenever you find a stick of questionable cleanliness, you just whip it